Which of the following are not secondary metabolites in plant? तो आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following are not secondary metabolites? Vinblastine, curcumin, rubber, gums, morphine, codeine, amino acid, glucose. The answer is 4, amino acid and glucose. Next, match list 1 with list 2. प्रोटीन प्रोटीन कौन सा होगा? प्रोटीन होगा पेप्टाइड्स बॉन्ड्स 1 का 4। नेक्स्ट, अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड, कार्बन कार्बन bonds, not double bonds. The answer is 3. Identify the incorrect pair. Lectins, concurrent holiday, drugs, rixin, alkaloids, codeine, toxin, abrin. The answer is drugs, rixin. Next, following are the statement with reference to lipid. Option A, lipid having only single bonds are called unsaturated fatty acid. Next, lecithin is a phospholipid. Trihydroxypropane is glycerol. Palmitic acid has 20 carbon atoms including carbonyl carbon. Next, arachidonic acid has 16 carbon atom. इनमें से कौन कौन सी करेक्ट है? Correct is lectin is a phospholipid and trihydroxypropane. The answer is 1. Next, which one is the most abundant protein in the animal world? Trypsin, hemoglobin, collagen, insulin. Answer is collagen. Match the following inhibitor of catalytic activity. कौन सा होगा कैटालाइटिक एक्टिविटी के लिए? 1 का 2 मेलोनेट, मतलब मेरा आंसर हो गया। और नेक्स्ट, possesses peptide bond collagen. Answer is 4. Next, identify the substances having a glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. Glycerol, trypsin, cellulose, lectin, insulin, chitin, cholesterol. Answer is 3. Inulin and insulin. Next, identify the basic amino acid from the following. Basic amino acid is lysine is a basic amino acid. Next, fluorine starch has structures similar to amylopectin and glycogen, mannitol and algin, laminarin and cellulose, starch and cellulose. Answer is amylopectin and glycogen. Match the following: aquaporin, polypeptide, asparagine, beta-8 amide, abscisic acid, carotenoids. The answer is 1. Next, concanavaline, a pigment and alkaloid, an essential oil, lectin. Next, consider the following statement: coenzyme or metal ion that is tightly bound to the enzyme protein. Answer is 4. Which of the following organic compound is the main constituent of lectin? Arachidonic acid, phospholipid, cholesterol, phosphoprotein. Phospholipid. Next. Next question is: prosthetic group differ from coenzyme in that they require metal ion for their activity. The prosthetic group are tightly bound to apenzyme. Their association with apenzyme is transient. They can serve as cofactor in a number of coenzyme catalytic reactions. The answer is 2. The prosthetic groups are tightly bound to apenzyme. Next, Ramachandran plot is used to confront the structure of RNA, protein, triacylglycerides, DNA. Answer is 2. Protein. Next, the two functional group characteristic of sugar are hydroxyl and methyl, carbonyl and methyl, carbonyl and phosphate, carbonyl and hydroxyl. Answer is carbonyl and hydroxyl. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to enzyme? Apenzyme equal to holoenzyme plus coenzyme. Holoenzyme equal to apenzyme plus coenzyme. Coenzyme equal to apenzyme plus holoenzyme. Holoenzyme equal to coenzyme plus cofactor. Which of the following is correct? The correct answer is 2. Holoenzyme equal to apenzyme plus coenzyme. Next, which of the following is not a polymeric substance? Nucleic acid, protein, polysaccharide, or lipids? The answer is 4. Lipids. A non-proteinaceous enzyme is lysozyme, ribozyme, ligase, or deoxyribonuclease. Correct answer is 2. Ribozyme. Please comment your answer. Next, which of the following is the least likely to be involved in stabilizing the three-dimensional folding of most protein? A hydrogen bond, electrostatic interaction, a hydrophobic interaction, ester bond. For ester bonds. यस, ये नीट के लिए ही है, ये नीट का पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट, which of the following describes the graph correctly? Endothermic reaction with the energy A, the presence of enzyme, and B, absence of enzyme. Exothermic reaction with energy A in the presence of enzyme and B in the absence of enzyme. Endothermic reaction with A in the absence of enzyme and B presence of enzyme. Exothermic reaction with A in the absence of enzyme and B in the presence of enzyme. Please comment your answer. The answer is 2. A exothermic reaction है with energy A in the presence of enzyme and B in the absence of enzyme. Next, which one of the following statement is wrong? Cellulose is a polysaccharide, uracil is a pyrimidine, glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid, sucrose is a disaccharide. Glycine is a sulfur containing amino acid. ये wrong है. Next, a typical fat molecules is made up of one glycerol and three fatty acid molecules, one glycerol and one fatty acid molecule. Third option, there are three glycerol and three fatty acid molecules, three glycerol molecules and one fatty acid molecules. Answer is one glycerol and three fatty acid. Next, water-soluble pigment found in plant cell vacuoles are chlorophylls, carotenoids, anthocyanins, xanthophylls. Answer is anthocyanins. Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? Fatty acid in diglyceride, monosaccharides in a polysaccharide, amino acid in a polysaccharide, nucleic acid in a nucleotide. Nucleic acid in a nucleotide. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by the polymerization of keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate, D-glucosamine, N-acetylglucosamine, lipoglycans. 3. N-acetylglucosamine. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A competitive inhibitor reacts reversibly with the enzyme to form an enzyme inhibitor. In competitive inhibition, the inhibitor molecules is not chemically changed by the enzyme. The competitive inhibitor does not affect the rate breakdown of enzyme. The presence of competitive inhibitor decreases the Km of the substrate. Option number 4 is correct answer. Next, which one of the following is non-reducing carbohydrate? Maltose, sucrose, lactose, ribose, 5-phosphate. The answer is sucrose. Next, the essential chemical components of many coenzymes are protein, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, vitamins. Which one is the most abundant protein in the animal world? ट्रिप्सिन, हीमोग्लोबिन, कोलाजन, इंसुलिन। ये तो कोलाजन है, ये फिर से रिपीट हो गया। ये वाला क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा लॉन्ग है, ये वाला नीट के लिए नहीं है, ये वाला भी नहीं है। Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Detergents, lipase, alcohol, nitrogenase, fruit juice, pectinase, textile amylase। कौन सा करेक्ट है? आंसर प्लीज। टू अल्कोहल नाइट्रोजनस। ठीक है, आज के लिए बस इतना ही।